Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. Today we're diving into a super interesting topic that's making waves in the tech community, UI TARS desktop. If you've ever dreamt about controlling your computer just by talking to it, this stuff is right up your alley. So let's start with the basics. UI TARS. What is it exactly? Well, it's a GUI Agent application, which sounds pretty fancy, but in simplest terms, it's a tool that uses something called the Vision Language Model. This model allows us to interact with our computer through natural language. Just imagine, instead of clicking around, you could simply say, "Open my documents," and bam! There they are. Now I know what you're thinking. How does that even work? It's a combination of cutting-edge artificial intelligence and user-friendly interface design. Picture it like teaching your computer to understand what you want, much like how you teach a child to recognize objects and respond to questions. Pretty cool, right? One of the main highlights is that the UI TARS desktop is actually open source under the Apache License 2.0. This means that other developers can build on it, create their own versions, or even contribute to its improvement. This kind of collaboration in tech can really accelerate innovation. And here's a little fun fact. The team behind UI TARS includes a variety of experts, from computer vision specialists to language processing gurus. They're all working together to make sure that not only is the technology efficient, but also intuitive to use. I mean, it's one thing to make something work, but it's another entirely to make it user-friendly. Now, let's pause for a moment. Think about how we currently interact with technology. It usually involves a keyboard and mouse, right? But as technology evolves, our modes of interaction need to evolve too. So what if in a few years, staring at a screen and typing becomes obsolete? Imagine having conversations with your computer as easily as you'd chat with a friend. Speaking of conversations, I want to reflect a little deeper on the implications of something like UI TARS. If you could control your computer just by speaking, how would that change your daily life? Would it make you more productive, or maybe even make certain tasks more enjoyable? I'd love to hear your thoughts on that. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the research and innovation aspect behind UI TARS. If you find this kind of work interesting, the team has shared their findings in a paper that I definitely recommend checking out. Not only is it insightful, but it also encourages collaboration in the research community. If you think their work is useful, considering giving it a star or a citation can really help elevate their efforts. All right, folks, to sum up what we've discussed today, UI TARS is a revolutionary application that's paving the way for new ways to interact with technology through natural language. It's open source, it's innovative, and it has the potential to completely transform our user experience. So as we sign off, I want to leave you with this thought. What do you think the future of our interaction with computers will look like? Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to explore more tech topics with you next time.